Yes guys, do you have question in your mind that whether we should wear this mask or not? If yes, then you are in the right video. But before that, just subscribe my channel, like my video, and make sure to watch the video by the end. So without making further ado, let's get started with today's topic, which is why we should wear mask, or is this really necessary? Yes guys, let's try to understand together how mask work or why we should wear mask. Even though corona case is going higher, it doesn't seems to be working, that even though we wear mask, still we might be affected, we might be infected. So why we should wear mask? Mask doesn't save us, or mask doesn't save you. Mask save somebody else from you if you are COVID infected. If you are infected and if you keep wearing mask, then you might save your family member or whoever you meet to. That is the real purpose of wearing mask. Wearing mask doesn't save you from being infected from corona. Suppose you are wearing mask, okay, and you touch something where there were a virus, or took that virus from your hand by touching or somewhere, so you will be infected. So wearing mask doesn't give you guarantee that you won't be infected. Wearing mask give you guarantee that you won't infect somebody else by your sneezing, by coughing, because mostly this virus get out of that patient due to sneeze, due to coughing, due to speaking loudly. Because right now, as we can see, as you see, that when we speak, so many particles of our spit comes out. So if I'm infected, so that virus also will come out. So that is why we should wear mask. So as we can see these days, nobody is taking seriously of wearing mask. Everyone is everyone is doing comedy with this mask. As we can see, so many pictures over here. That is what going on. We are not supposed to wear mask over here on in our beard or on our head. Means in so many videos I saw that they are wearing mask like a bikini over here. Means like that. It is comedy. I don't understand. So that's what we need to understand, the importance of wearing mask. Although it doesn't give us guarantee that we will be protected, but at least it gives us guarantee or a little bit assurance that we won't be affecting somebody. Suppose because we people, we go out, our ladies, those who stay in home, mom, sister, whatever, okay. So when we go out, we bring coronavirus, and suppose if you are infected, so you might save them from being infected if we are wearing mask. So that is the real intention of wearing mask. We must understand that everyone says that I don't have corona, so why we should wear mask, okay, or it doesn't save us. I have seen people, those who are wearing mask, still they are dying or still they are being infected. So that's the myth going on, that mask doesn't save you from corona. Mask save other from corona if you are infected. That's what we need to understand, and we need to understand the importance of wearing mask, and we should wear properly. We should not wear on eyes, we should not wear on our chin. We should really cover our nose and mouth. As government rules are, we should follow their rules, and we should be wearing mask properly. And that's all. You need to understand which mask to wear. First of all, I see lots of I won't say companies are making, because it's completely up to you. No matter how much company is making, at least you have mind what to buy, what not to buy, which one to pick, which one not to pick. Then no matter which how much company is making Chinese mask or mask with no filter, you should have this mind that don't buy that mask. People are wearing cloth mask. Means, can you imagine? Means government banned us going out without mask, so we are just putting any underwear on our face. Exactly. If it's like a comedy. Means, are you wearing underwear on your face? Because mask must contain layer to filter or to hold or to contain, to not let that virus go out or anything. If you are wearing clothes, okay, and if things are going out, so it doesn't make any sense. Without any reason, you are wearing your mask without any reason. You must be very careful before picking which mask to buy. Mask which contain filter, that mask we should buy. You shouldn't be wearing any thin cloth material mask. Okay, you must wear that mask which has layer. Thank you, and please share this message with everyone.